Hey Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello children. Today we are going to start a new lesson. Plants around us. In this lesson we are going to learn about the different types of plants, the different parts of a plant and see how plants help us. Children, you would have seen many plants in and around your house and in your neighborhood. Tulsi plant, money plant, rose plant, mango tree, neem tree are some of the common plants. These plants play an important role in our life. Let's learn about plants. 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 Plants are living things. Plants, like humans and other animals, have life. Just like a baby grows into a man, a baby plant grows into a big plant or tree. Plants need air, water, sunlight, and food to live. Just like we need air, water, and food to live, plants also need air, water, sunlight, and food. Can we make our own food, children? No, we cannot. We cannot make fruits, vegetables, or rice. We just cook the food we get from plants and animals like vegetables, eggs, etc. and eat. But plants can make their own food with the help of air, water, and sunlight by the process called photosynthesis. So, plants can make their own food. Children, plants are of different shapes and sizes. Now, let's learn about the different types of plants. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, water plants, climbers, and creepers. Let's learn about each of these in detail. Trees. Trees are very big plants, children. Trees are tall plants with strong woody stems called trunks. Look at the picture, children. This strong woody stem is called as trunk. They have many branches. See, look at these woody structures coming out of the trunk. These are all branches of the tree. It's a big tall tree having a big strong woody stem called as trunk, and these woody structures coming out of the trunk or branches. See, one, two, three, four, five. These are all branches. Branches have leaves. People, pine, banyan, and gulmohar are some common trees. So, what are trees? Trees are tall plants with strong woody stems called trunks. They have many branches. People, pine, banyan, and gulmohar are some common trees. Banyan tree and pine tree are some more examples of trees. Banyan trees can live for hundreds of years. Next, shrubs. SHRUBS Shrubs. Shrubs are plants with thin and hard woody stems. See children, they are this is a thin stem but it is very hard and woody. So shrubs have thin and hard woody stems. These shrubs are smaller than trees. Plants such as rose, jasmine, cotton, and lemon are examples of shrubs. So, shrubs are plants with thin and hard woody stems. See, children, thin woody stem. We see the examples for shrubs: rose plant and a cotton plant. Both are shrubs. Next, herbs. Herbs. Herbs are usually very small plants. Herbs have thin, soft green stems. Herbs have thin, soft green stems. They are smaller than shrubs. Mint and tulsi are herbs. They are also known for their medicinal value. So, herbs are plants with very thin, soft green stems. They are very small, and examples of herbs are mint and tulsi. See the mint picture, children, and then tulsi. Tulsi and mint are very good for a stomach and help to prevent cough and cold. Mint is nothing but pudina. Hope you'll not waste the pudina chutney your mother makes hereafter. Water plants. Some plants grow in water. Water lily and lotus are water plants. Lotus and lily. Children, in most of the water plants like lotus and lily, the leaves, look at the leaves float on the water and the flowers are above the water. How beautiful they look, isn't it? Next, climbers. 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 Climbers are plants with soft, weak stems. They have soft, weak stems. They cannot stand straight like trees. Since they have very soft and weak stems, they cannot stand straight. Trees have strong woody stems, so they can stand straight. But these climbers have very soft stems, so they need a support. They climb on walls or other plants for support. Money plant and grapevine are climbers. Grapevine is nothing but the grapes plant. So climbers are plants with soft, weak stems and they climb on walls for support. See the picture of money plant and grapevine, children. This money plant is having a very soft weak stem, so it needs a wall for support. It takes the help of the wall to climb up. Creepers. 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 Creepers are also plants with soft, weak stems. Just like climbers, creepers also have very soft and weak stems. They grow along the ground. They creep or grow along the ground. Some of them bear big and heavy fruits. Pumpkin and watermelon are creepers. So, just like climbers, creepers also have soft, weak stems, but they grow along the ground. See the picture of pumpkin, children? Pumpkin plant. This is watermelon plant. Look how big and heavy the fruits are. We all like eat juicy watermelons, isn't it? Yes. Both climbers and creepers have very weak soft stems. The only difference is that the creepers grow along the ground, grow along the soil, while the climbers make use of the support and climb up. Now that we have learned the different types of plants, let's learn their spellings. First one, Plants, plants. Trees, trees, trees. Banyan, banyan, banyan. Pine, pine, pine. Shrubs, shrubs, shrubs. Rose, rose. Cotton, cotton, cotton. Herbs, herbs, herbs. Mint, mint. Tulsi, tulsi, tulsi. Climbers, climbers, climbers. Money plant, money, plant, money plant. Grapevine, grape, vine, grapevine. Creepers, creepers, creepers. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Watermelon, water, melon, watermelon. Lotus, lotus. Lily, lily. Practice these words, children. Write in the notebook and practice it 3 times. Now, it's activity time. Children, the activity for you is very simple. You have to write the names of any 5 plants in your neighborhood. It may be trees or shrubs or herbs or climbers or creepers, anything. You have to write the names of the any 5 plants. Children, today we learned about the different types of plants like trees, shrubs, herbs, water plants, climbers, and creepers. Hope you understood. Thank you.